Okay guys, so I really wanted to do a video as Tina was getting inspected at bar, but they're pretty top secret about revealing what they do and all that, and so they said no cameras allowed. So unfortunately I wasn't able to do that, but here's the conclusion of the 4 weeks I had with bar. I am officially registered with the state of California. It is a legal V8 swap. And here is what I worked so hard for. I don't know if you can see that. Right there it is. That little sticker cost me $8.25, but a lot of headaches. But I'm finally legal. Sounds pretty good. Give you a peek at this real quick. There she is, California legal. She purrs. Looks like it belongs in there. Gotta love that V8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, if you like the video, click subscribe. Lips 13.
I'll subscribe.
Peace out, Girl Scouts.